Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, mid-September 1900, the great historic Galveston hurricane down in Texas hit. It's generally regarded as the second costliest hurricane behind Katrina when you figure in inflation. Also, it killed at least 8,000 people. There are some estimates it was 10,000. So it was a major hurricane. Estimated winds 145 to 150 miles an hour. But the thing is, it only brought a tracer into our area. A lot of times you get hurricanes in Louisiana or that part of Texas. We get a lot of rain out of these. Thing was, it totally bypassed our area. This is the map, September 10th, 1900. There's Lafayette, state of Indiana. There's the remnants of that major hurricane with very heavy rain. So it made landfall down in Texas, made a big C, moved into the plains, and then moved to the northeast. And it basically took all the rain and moved right around us in a big C. We only had a few trace amounts. The only thing that brought us were gusty southwest winds and warmer conditions. Now today, we had a couple little thunder showers that popped up here a little earlier. Those have faded, but there is a cold front. It's the first cold front of two that's popped a little broken line of showers and thunderstorms to our north. Good news is, like we were talking yesterday, the severe weather threat is northeast and east of the viewing area. You can see some of the warnings up here. But as the line sinks through tonight, there still could be at least a few little storms around, but not everybody's going to get the rain. That's the problem. Front number one is there. Front number two is here. This front could bring a couple showers or storms tomorrow. That one means business with the cooler air. 86 tonight at 9 will drop down to 68 by 7 a.m. tomorrow, and then a little cooler tomorrow, 78 by 11 a.m. So that's front one with a few storms for the evening and nighttime hours. Second front comes through, brings in the burst of fall, coolest weather since May, and then it starts to warm up again. But overall, it's a dry weather pattern. For tomorrow, after 68 in the morning, 83 at Rochester in the afternoon, 84 Lafayette, 85 Fowler Pine Village, and 84 degrees at Linden Romney. By Friday, much cooler, a stiff north wind, and generally partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. There'll be more clouds up towards the lake. 66 Rensselaer, 70 Lafayette, 68 at Peru. High-res futurecast. This is around 2 o'clock tonight. A broken line or two of some showers and thunderstorms. Notice how broken it is. Some of you will get a nice half-inch rain. Some of you won't see anything at all. That's 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, and into the early morning hours, a lingering shower or storm. Tomorrow afternoon, notice there's a secondary front here. You'll notice a couple little pops with that front as it slides through, and a little lake effect cloudiness. That tells me this is a cool air mass when you've got lake effect cloudiness being produced as the cool air moves over the lake and produces some clouds in our northwest county. 70 forecast, 43 degrees Friday night, early Saturday morning, 74 Saturday, and back to 80 by Monday, 82 by Wednesday. If we don't get rain tonight or tomorrow, it's going to be a long time before we see it.
All right, it's going to feel good even tomorrow, though, isn't it?
Oh, you bet.
Better,
yeah.
Anyway. Thanks,
Sure.
Chad.
Thanks, Chad. Just ahead, a local organization meets to